Electric arc furnace, EAF, is a unit that uses arc energy for heating and melting, widely applied in steelmaking and non-ferrous metal smelting. Operating temperatures can exceed 3,000 degrees Celsius, enabling rapid metal melting. However, producing 1 ton of steel consumes 350 to 400 kilowatt-hours of electricity, with much heat lost through the lining and cooling system, causing energy waste, higher costs, and stricter demands on insulation materials. CCEWOOL Ceramic Fiber Modules, with their lightweight efficiency, superior thermal shock resistance, and installation convenience, have become the ideal energy-saving lining material for EAFs.
CCEWOOL ceramic fiber modules are made from high-purity alumina and silica, with impurity content kept below 1%. This prevents grain, coarsening, and excessive shrinkage at high temperatures, ensuring low shrinkage, long service life, and stable performance. Excellent insulation. Produced with imported high-speed centrifugal equipment, the fibers have uniform diameters, shot content below 15%, and thermal conductivity of only 0.22 watts per meter Kelvin at 1000 degrees Celsius, effectively reducing heat loss in EAFs. Thermal shock resistance. Press-formed modules offer strong resilience, withstanding rapid heating, cooling, and arc impact without cracking or pulverizing, while maintaining insulation even under high velocity gas flow. Lightweight structure. As linings, they reduce weight by over 75% compared to conventional insulation and by about 90% versus lightweight castables, greatly lowering furnace load. Roof challenge. Big temperature swings and constant cooling often cause cracks and waste energy. Solution: CCEWOOL 1260 HPS ceramic fiber module and 1430 HC modules cut heat loss, reduce the cooling load, and keep the roof from cracking. Furnace walls challenge. Arc radiation and hot gases wear down the walls, causing cracks and spalling. Solution: CCEWOOL 1260 HPS ceramic fiber module and 1430 HC modules lower heat loss and make the lining last longer. Furnace door surroundings challenge. Frequent opening and molten steel splashes quickly damage the lining. Solution: CCEWOOL 1430 HC modules provide a tight insulating seal, reducing heat loss and improving efficiency. Furnace bottom cooling contact challenge. Heavy molten steel and cooling contact pull heat away and raise costs. Solution: CCEWOOL 1430 HC modules stop heat from escaping downward, improve efficiency, and cut operating costs. Auxiliary systems challenge. Ducts, hot air pipes, and heaters without proper insulation waste energy and pose safety risks. Solution: CCEWOOL 1260 blanket with foil-faced blanket delivers long-lasting insulation, reduces heat loss, lowers surface temperatures, and keeps both equipment and people safe. In energy-intensive electric arc furnaces, CCEWOOL ceramic fiber modules offer low thermal conductivity, lightweight, thermal shock resistance, and easy installation, reducing power use and heat loss, while lowering costs and extending lining life.
CC Fire Insulating Fire Bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000, CCEWOOL High Temperature Insulation Wool, RCF LBP PCW including blankets, boards, boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.